guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make Christmas DIYs. Let's begin. We will need a glass, one permanent marker, one onion sketch pen, one cloth, 3 brushes, 4 candles, green acrylic to paint, white acrylic water paint and red acrylic water paint. Melt the candles. After setting the wax, now cut the ribbon and make the following things shown in the video. Now our candle is ready. A cardboard, fork, Fevicol, green acrylic paint, wool, green wool and red color, ribbon, white and one sheet. Now cut the sheet in circle. Now we are going to make pom-pom. Such followings and paste them as shown in the video. Now I have pasted. Now paste the Merry Christmas. It is ready now. Now make a flower using a ribbon and make 3 flowers, white, red and green. Now I have pasted the flowers. Now our pom-pom wood is ready. Merry Christmas! Thank you!